Hello and welcome, everybody. Today we're going to have a discussion about training, learning, and going through experiences. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so while you are studying, you make a lot of memos, you make notes, you get thoughts, you get acronyms, everything that can help you with your studies to remind you when you write a test what is the answer they are actually looking for. Now, in life, we go through much the same circumstances. We go through tests, we go through a preparation time, and then when we pass, then we get promoted. So, what do we do? Now, interesting part, I know a lot of scriptures by hand, and when I first learned a lot of scripture in Afrikaans, and then I learned them in English. So it became quite interesting, the thought patterns that changed when you learn it in a different language. So with my kids the other day, we started with them to let them learn certain scriptures. They must choose a scripture that is important for them and they must memorize it. Now, why would we do something like that? Well, that is exactly the same with when you go and write a test. You remember these things. Now, when you go through circumstances in life, sometimes it's a test, sometimes it's just circumstances, but everything has got a possibility for you to be promoted. So, what do you do? Now, for instance, one of my favorite scriptures are Romans 8:28 that says, "All things work together for the good for those who love God and who are called or ordained to his purposes." So, why that scripture? Well, when I'm sad, depressed, feeling bad, going through circumstances, and it does not excite me, you do not feel well, you do not feel like an overcomer, all of these things, I remind myself of that scripture because all things work together for good. The circumstances that I'm going through, that you're going through now, can help you to succeed. And then in Philippians 4:13 that says, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." And that helped me tremendously. Times when I felt like giving up, I thought, Lord, I need you. I need your strength because then I can do all things. And then most of the time I thought, this is my end. And you know what? That happened quite a couple of times. Was it my end? No, I'm still here. You see, those scriptures help you tremendously, but it's also important to remember the context that it's written in. If you know the context, you're not going to just use a scripture for everything. I know people that quote just what suits them. That is not what I want to go into. I want you to focus and get a scripture, get the context of the scripture, and know that when Paul said, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me," that was when he went. Some days he didn't have food, he didn't have provision, he had hardship, he was persecuted. There was a lot of things he went through. And he said, "You know what? My strength failed me, but because of the strength that I received from Yeshua, I can do it." And that's what I want to give you today. Is get scriptures for your circumstances. Memorize them. Not to see how many you can remember, but how much you can use in your circumstances. When you're going through a good, a bad, a difficult, a up or downhill, doesn't matter. Get scripture and learn scripture because it's going to help you to focus, help you to get your mindset right. Because if your mind is working with you, it's a good thing. If your mind works against you, that is difficult. And most of the times, my most difficult circumstances was when my mindset worked against me while I was in a difficult circumstance. But like I said, when you go through these difficult circumstances, it's like a gym. You don't use the lightest weight to build muscle. You take the heavier weight. And these circumstances has got the ability to make you strong. You get promoted. You go to another level. And then you carry on. So even though you may feel up or down today, I encourage you. Get a scripture. And if you can, learn new scriptures in any way. That when you go through a circumstance, quote scripture. Make it a declaration. And say, I can do all things. Ian can do all things. Why? Because the Christ is in me. The power of Yeshua is with me. You see, and then you make it a declaration, and then you make it a prayer, and then your focus returns on your faith and not on all of the negative things. Then you walk by faith and not by sight. Because when you walk by sight, you're going to get, it's difficult, especially with the media today, where they paint you the picture which they want you to see. Doesn't matter if it's reality or not. That's why we walk by faith and not by sight. Father, I pray today that we'll choose to walk by faith, that we'll choose to walk with the word in our mouth, because it is written. And thank you for loving us and taking care of us. Thank you that you're always there for us. Thank you for your kindness and your goodness. I thank you for your mercy in the name of Yeshua. Be blessed.